Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to apply for a driving license online. In this digital age, it's becoming increasingly convenient to apply for a driving license. With the advent of the internet, you can now complete the entire process online. So, let's dive totally for a driving license online. You need to visit the official government website of your state or province. Make sure to visit the appropriate website as there may be variations in the process and requirements for obtaining a license across different states. Once you've found the official website, you will need to create an account or sign in if you already have an account. Fill out the required information, such as your name, date of birth, and contact information. It's important to provide accurate information as the license application will be checked for accuracy. After filling out the form, you will need to take an online driving safety course. This course is designed to ensure that you understand the rules and regulations of driving and can safely operate a vehicle. Most courses are quite easy to complete and usually take a few minutes to an hour to complete. After completing the online course, you will be able to submit your application. You will need to take a driving test, which may include a visual examination, road exercise, and sobriety test. Once you've passed all of the tests, your new driving license will be issued and mailed to you. In conclusion, obtaining a driving license online has become a hassle-free process in today's digital age. With the right steps and proper guidance, you can complete the entire process in a matter of days. Remember to always provide accurate information and stay safe on the road.